This person cannot hide their obsession with you. They are falling in love. This was not part of the plan. I feel like this individual may have turned down a romantic relationship with you in the past. Maybe for some of you, you were in a relationship with this individual. And when you were in a relationship with this individual, I feel as if, they downplay their true feelings. At times you may have felt like it was one-sided. This person may have chosen other people, other situations over the actual connection. You may have felt, if you were in a relationship with this individual, that you were in this relationship alone. I feel like maybe their family played a huge part, a huge role in regards to them coming to terms with their emotions. For some of you, maybe their parents met you, maybe their father met you, maybe their mother met you, and their parents actually do like you. And for others of you, if you are in a relationship with this individual, the same applies. And maybe their parents said, oh, when are you gonna, tie the knot with this person? Or I really like them. I could really see them being a part of this family. Are you too serious? Or are you just friends? Like, it was something along them lines that made this person click and think to themselves, you know what, I actually should take this connection very seriously. And I feel for some of you, not for all, their family members may have played a part in this individual acting very nonchalant about the connection, not cementing this actual connection. And that put you in a funny space. I also feel that for some of you, this person's friends played a part without even realizing it, because this individual started to see their friends settling down, having children, getting mortgages, and they were just left behind. And they looked to the fact that they actually had someone that was willing to give them an opportunity of true love, of commitment, of loyalty, and they wasted it away. This person was going through their healing journey. They still could be on this healing journey. And because they were embarking on this healing cycle, they were not receptive to your advances. They couldn't meet you where you were at the time, and they projected onto you feelings of abandonment, feelings of rejection. And the reason why they did it was because that's how they felt within. They didn't feel good enough. They didn't feel lovable. They questioned why you were even interested in them. What is the catch? They didn't see themselves in the light that you saw them in, right? And I feel like for some of you, because of this rejection and, emotional neglect that this person projected outwardly onto you, it forced you into your own healing. You began to work on yourself. You focused on your goals, or you're focusing on your goals, your creativity, your projects, your hobbies, etc. You poured into yourself, and you are going through a massive transformation, an internal transformation, a glow up. And you became very confident, or you are becoming very confident. And because of this, you are shining brighter. You are attracting positive opportunities. You are attracting, positive, high vibrational people. Many people want to collaborate with you. Many people could also be complimenting you. Many people want to take you out on a date. A lot of eyes are on you, and this is triggering this individual from the past. This person is becoming very fixated on you. They are fearing that they are losing you. They are fearing that they're losing control, because I feel like in the past, this person was very controlled with their emotions, controlled with, whether or not the situation between yourself and them was going to progress. They like to keep things very stagnant in regards to yourself and them. And now that they see that you have grown in confidence, you're standing in your power, they are getting very afraid. They see the way others look at you. They see the way that people want to hang out with you. They see that others find you attractive. It's not just them. And the thing is, this individual finds you extremely attractive. The attraction that they feel for you is very potent and very intense, to the point where it freaks this person out, literally. And this person has tried to suppress their emotions, but it spilled over, or it is spilling over into an obsession. And not only are they obsessed with you and fixated on you, they're trying to fight with themselves because they're fighting the feeling of being in love with you. And on top of that, they feel like they have to ward other people off you as well. So there's a lot of different emotions that are going on in this person that they're not comfortable with. This person, I feel like they try and throw themselves into work to forget about you, but even at work, they may try and watch you and then they stop looking at you on social media. For others of you, I do feel like this person watches you on social media. They see your rise, they see your popularity, they see how you're winning in life. There's something about a recent picture that you may have put up. Maybe some of you went on holiday. You're living your best life. You're showing this person that they are not the be all and end all. You're showing this individual, knowingly or unknowingly, that your life does not revolve around them, and they are panicking. Okay, it's almost as if the roles have reversed. How they were acting in the past is how you are acting in the now, but you're not doing so to hurt this individual. You're doing so because you were triggered to heal. You were triggered to actually focus on yourself. And now this person is in your situation, but much worse. They feel like they're losing control. They are seeing the caliber of potentials that want to date you, whether they're seeing your comments on social media or they see in person how people stare at you, how people look at you, how people are in awe of you. You are of high caliber, okay? And this person, they knew that all along, but they may have tried to downplay who you are. Now they feel as if you are out of their league and they're worrying. They're trying to unsee the fact that you are generating a lot of success and attention, and they're trying to suppress the fact that they are actually in love with you. The word love makes this person extremely uncomfortable, but they want to give their heart to you, but they will do so in a way whereby it covers up their true intentions. So they may offer you advice, they may give you a gift or do some sort of kind gesture, some sort of kind act of service is what they're planning on doing. This person may want to take you out, or this person is fearful that you go out a lot, or you are going to go out a lot. And if you do go out a lot, they're fearful that you're going to meet someone. This person sees you as very independent and they feel to themselves that, you are their match. They see that you're very self-sufficient, and this is admirable, but it's also a fear. You have managed to make this avoidant want to level up and want to settle down and want to be mature for you. This person felt like they had all the time in the world. And to be fair with you, this individual may have put this connection or the situation that they're in with you, at the bottom of the list. But now they are in competition, secret competition with other people, because they can sense the energy around you. They've seen it for themselves, how people want to date you. They see the looks, they see the stares, they see how people compete to, talk to you. They may have heard or seen people try and chat you up, and it's making this person extremely nervous. This person feels like they have to fight off all the competition around you. You may get this person acting very possessive. You may get this person interjecting in conversations that you're having with other people, because they want the attention on them, and they're fearful that if you get to know other people, you will not want to entertain them anymore. Because this person knows that you are the prize, and quite frankly, of course you are. You are the prize all along. But it took for this individual to be away from you for a certain amount of time to realize that. And it took for you to really remember who you are, to realize that, you don't need to chase, you attract. And you and this individual were not on the same vibrational frequency in the past, hence why the situation didn't work. But in the now, this person is besotted with you. They are in love with you.